Hello students, so today our topic is nomenclature of coordination compounds. So first of all we will give the name to cations, then neutral, then anion compounds. So let's get started. Students, जैसे कि आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं that I have written cobalt, amine and chloride. So you have to know the charges on them. Like chloride has negative charge, amine is neutral, means 0. So let's start writing with the cobalt, CO plus 6 is written here, so we will write 6 NH3, then plus Cl with 3 atoms, 3 Cl. Now cobalt, because हमें cobalt का charge find करना है, so we will write the cobalt as it is. Then 6, the charge on amine is 0 and the charge on chloride is -1. Now cobalt is equals to, of course, is equals to 0, then plus 60 is 0, plus minus is minus, then 3 1 is 3 is equals to 0. Now cobalt, of course this would be -3 is equals to 0 and cobalt will be, the 3 will go in the opposite side with +3 charge. So cobalt has +3 charge. It will be named as 6, that is hexa amine. First we will give the name to ligand, then cobalt. Cobalt has 3 charge, so in Roman language we write 3 as this one. Then chloride, sorry, it can write here, okay, chloride. Now let's move to the second one. It has written that cobalt En3. Now what is this En? En is ethyl diamine. And nitrate. Nitrate has -1 charge, ethyl diamine has neutral, means has 0 charge. So we will write cobalt plus 3 plus 3 nitrate. Then cobalt plus 3, the charge is 0 here, plus 3 -1 is equals to 0. Then cobalt plus 0 plus -3 is equals to 0. 3 and 0 will be -3 and this -3 will move to the opposite side of the is equals to, then it will be +3, or you can write this. Now this is the charge on cobalt. Now the difference in both of these compounds is only the ligands. The ligand that is attached here is an organic ligand, and we will not write tri, tetra, penta. Instead of this we will write bis, tris, tetrakis, pentakis, etc. So let's write tris because there are 3 ethyl diamines. Ethyl diamine, cobalt 3, nitrate. Nitrate has negative charge, so this complex would be, of course, positive. Chloride is negative here, so this complex would be positive. That's why these compounds are cationic complexes, cation compounds. Now let's move towards neutral compounds. Same thing would be applied here. Platinum plus 2 amine plus 4 chlorides. Platinum will be as it is, plus 2 0 plus 4 negative 1, chloride has negative 1 charge, is equals to 0. Then 0 2 0 is 0, minus 4 is equals to 0, then 4 would be the charge on platinum. Now let's write the name of this compound. Of course, starting with the ligand, there are two ligands, so we will write first diamine, then we will write chloride or chloro, let's see, and platinum. Di, it's not an organic ligand, so we will write di, not base, trace or acid, etc. Di amine tetra means 4. For chloride we will write chloro. Why we will write chloro? Because the name is continued here. It is a neutral compound and the name is not stopped here. अगर stop हो जाए so we write chloride, nitrate, end कर दो. But अगर name continue है so chloro, bromo, etc. Then platinum, and in Roman we will write 4 as this. Okay. Now second one, cobalt, CO plus 3 amine plus 3 NO2 nitrite. Cobalt plus 3 0 plus 3, of course it has negative 1 charge too, so cobalt plus 0 minus 3 0, and of course 3 would be the charge on. Let's write its name. Of course हम ligand से start करेंगे. First this ligand, then this ligand, then this metal. Now starting with the triamine, 3 amine, so triamine, trinitro, cobalt. Okay, after this, then write cobalt 3 in Roman. Now moving to anions. Of course neutral क्यों कह रहे हैं? Because ना इधर negative charge है ना इधर positive charge है. This is almost neutral, having the 0 charge. Now why this is called anions? Because you can see that potassium has the positive charge, so the other side would have negative charge, positive, negative. So the compound would be an anion. Starting with 3 potassiums plus Fe plus 6 cyanides or cyano, let's see, is equals to 0. Then 3 plus 1 plus Fe, because it has positive 1 charge and cyanide has negative 1 charge, is equals to 0. Then plus 3 plus Fe minus 6 is equals to 0. 6 and 3 would be minus 3 plus Fe is equals to 0. This 3 will move toward that side and Fe will be plus 3. Means Fe has 3 charge. Now let's write its name starting with this potassium. For anion it is little bit different because we will start with the positive charge, then we will move towards the ligand and then towards the metal. Now let's write the potassium. We will not write tripotassium, tetrapotassium, whatever. We will only write potassium here. Then 6 cyano, so we will write hexa, cyano, chain is continuous, so cyano, ferrate. Only for anions the metal name would add ATE. Okay, I am writing the charge above 3. आप 7 लिखना, but due to some lower space I am writing at the top. Now moving to this one, 4 potassium plus Fe plus 6 cyano is equals to 0. 4 plus 1 charges of potassium plus Fe plus 6 cyano has negative 1 charge is equals to 0. Plus 4 plus Fe minus 6 is equals to 0. Then 6 minus 4 would be 2, and with negative charge, because the bigger one number has negative charge, plus Fe is equals to 0. Then Fe has 2 charge. Now let's write the names, starting with potassium, hexa, cyano, ferrate, but with the 2 charge. Okay, I hope you understand. If you have any problem, ask me in the comment box, or you can message me on my Facebook official page, that is Chemistry Problems. The link will be given in the description box. So goodbye.